Just finished up 10 of these beautiful Bastion Bolt Action Pens. They are some very high quality titanium pens with nicely machined components consisting of the tip, shaft, inner shaft, ball for the bolt action, and pocket clip that are all titanium. The only components not titanium, of course, are the ink cartridge and the two screws holding the pocket clips. I am very happy with the way these are turning out. Definitely a one-of-a-kind custom one-off pen on each of these different pens. As you can see, the anodizing has turned out beautifully on these pens, with many different colors and storm patterns. We have super storm going up and down, standard storm going across, and colors ranging from teal to green to purples and blues, and of course your normal storm patterns that range in the bronze, purple, blue range. And of course up above is the packaging that they come in, and these pens just turned out beautifully. Pocket clips look great. I've heat anodized the screws on any of the bronze ones, and the shafts, or the inner shafts, are also anodized as well to match. So you get a full-on custom one-off experience with all of these different beauties. Lots of storm, beautifully polished out, and then the nice little pocket clips just turned out beautiful. A lot of variation in these 10. These are going to be available on Bastion's website here very soon. They're getting ready to ship back over to them today. So if you're interested in any of these 10, these will be on their website for sale. I will also be selling Bastion pens on my website here very soon. I figured I'd get this first batch done directly for them, and then I will be carrying the line of pens as well. Just a lot of different variation in these different pens. Really happy with the quality, fit and finish of the components, and then the way the anodizing turned out is just beautiful.